One of the most common sleep mistakes seniors make is consuming caffeine till late in the day. Many people don't realize that caffeine can stay in the body for 6 hours or even longer. This means that a cup of coffee at PM could still be affecting your system by PM. Seniors often metabolize caffeine more slowly than younger adults, making this even more problematic. Even seemingly harmless drinks like tea, soda, or hot chocolate contain caffeine that can disrupt sleep. Some medications, like certain pain relievers or weight loss pills, also contain hidden caffeine. To avoid this, seniors should switch to decaffeinated beverages by early afternoon. Herbal teas like chamomile or peppermint are excellent caffeine-free alternatives that can even promote relaxation. Reading labels on medications and snacks is also important to avoid accidental caffeine intake. Establishing a firm caffeine after lunch rule can significantly improve sleep quality. Another major mistake is having an irregular sleep schedule. The body's internal clock, known as the circadian rhythm, thrives on consistency. When seniors go to bed at different times each night, their bodies struggle to know when to feel sleepy or alert. This inconsistency can lead to insomnia, frequent nighttime awakenings, or excessive daytime drowsiness. Retirement often removes the structure of a work schedule, making it tempting to stay up late or sleep in. However, maintaining a fixed bedtime and wake-up time even on weekends helps regulate the body's natural sleep-wake cycle. A helpful tip is to set a gentle alarm for bedtime, just like one for waking up. Exposure to natural sunlight in the morning can also strengthen circadian rhythms by signaling the brain that it's time to be awake. Over time, a consistent sleep schedule makes falling asleep and waking up feel more natural and effortless. The sleep environment is another critical factor that many seniors overlook. A bedroom that's too bright, too noisy, or the wrong temperature can make restful sleep nearly impossible. Light pollution from street lamps, digital clocks, or electronic devices can interfere with melatonin production, the hormone that regulates sleep. Even small LED lights from chargers or smoke detectors can be disruptive. Investing in blackout curtains or a comfortable sleep mask can block unwanted light. Noise disturbances, whether from traffic, household sounds, or a snoring partner, can also fragment sleep. White noise machines, earplugs, or even a fan can help mask disruptive sounds. Temperature plays a huge role as well. Many seniors find they sleep best in a slightly cool room, around 65 F 18°C. Breathable, moisture-wicking bedding materials like cotton or bamboo can help regulate body temperature throughout the night. A cluttered or uncomfortable mattress can also contribute to poor sleep, so it's worth evaluating whether the bed itself is supportive enough. Long or late naps are another sleep mistake that seniors should be cautious about. While napping can be beneficial, especially for those who don't sleep well at night, timing and duration are key. Napping for more than 30 minutes can lead to sleep inertia, that groggy, disoriented feeling upon waking. Even worse, napping too late in the day can make it harder to fall asleep at bedtime. The best time for a nap is early afternoon, ideally between PM and PM. A short, power nap of 20 minutes can boost alertness without interfering with nighttime sleep. If seniors struggle with insomnia, they might even consider eliminating naps altogether to build stronger sleep pressure for the night. Instead of napping, other energy-boosting activities like a short walk, stretching, or social interaction can provide a natural lift without disrupting sleep. Using electronic devices before bed is another major sleep disruptor that many seniors don't realize is harming them. Smartphones, tablets, TVs, and even e-readers emit blue light, which tricks the brain into thinking it's still daytime. This suppresses melatonin production, delaying sleepiness and making it harder to fall asleep. Beyond the light issue, engaging with stimulating content like news, social media, or intense shows can also increase stress and mental alertness when the brain should be winding down. Seniors should establish a digital curfew at least 1 hour before bedtime. Instead of screens, relaxing activities like reading a physical book, listening to calming music, or practicing gentle meditation can prepare the mind and body for sleep. If using a device is necessary, enabling night mode or blue light filters can reduce some of the negative effects. Dietary habits play a surprisingly large role in sleep quality, yet many seniors don't connect their eating patterns to their sleep troubles. Heavy, rich, or spicy meals too close to bedtime can cause indigestion, heartburn, or discomfort that keeps them awake. Eating too late can also lead to blood sugar fluctuations that disrupt sleep cycles. On the other hand, going to bed hungry can be just as problematic, causing awakenings due to low blood sugar. A light, balanced snack about an hour before bed can help. Options like a small bowl of oatmeal, a banana, or warm milk with a sprinkle of cinnamon are ideal. Alcohol is another dietary factor that seniors should be cautious about. While it may initially make them feel drowsy, it actually fragments sleep and reduces deep, restorative sleep stages. Staying hydrated is important, but drinking too many fluids in the evening can lead to disruptive nighttime bathroom trips. Limiting liquids in the 2 hours before bed and making sure to empty the bladder right before sleeping can help minimize interruption. Finally, relying too heavily on sleeping pills without medical supervision is a dangerous mistake some seniors make. While prescription or over-the-counter sleep aids may seem like a quick fix, they often come with risks like dependency, dizziness, confusion, or next-day grogginess. Some sleep medications can also interact negatively with other prescriptions seniors may be taking. Long-term use can lead to tolerance, meaning higher doses are needed for the same effect, which increases side effects. Instead of immediately turning to pills, seniors should explore natural sleep aids first, like valerian root, magnesium supplements, or lavender aromatherapy. Cognitive behavioral therapy for insomnia (CBT) is a highly effective, drug-free approach that addresses the root causes of sleep problems. If medications are necessary, they should only be used short-term and under a doctor's guidance. A healthcare provider can help determine whether an underlying condition, like sleep apnea or restless leg syndrome, is contributing to poor sleep and recommend appropriate treatments. By recognizing and correcting these 7 common sleep mistakes, seniors can enjoy more restful, rejuvenating nights and better overall health. Small, consistent adjustments often lead to significant improvements in sleep quality. Prioritizing good sleep hygiene is one of the best investments seniors can make for their physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Everyone deserves peaceful, uninterrupted sleep, and with the right habits, it's absolutely achievable.